here's how to delete someone from share list on Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can delete someone from your share list on Instagram. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, just go to your Instagram. And once you're in Instagram, here as you can see that you can just share your post to anyone and stuff like that. So what you can do is just press on the share on any post that you would like to. Let's say this post. And here you will be able to see many people, and if you want to remove someone, so there are some methods that you could do to remove them. First one is obviously by restricting them. So you can just restrict the account and it will work. So how can you do it? Just go to your search and search up the account that you want to restrict. So I'm just gonna go for this account, and here as you can see, you can just basically restrict them by pressing on these three dots on the top of the account. Once you press on it, here you will be able to see an option of restrict. Just press on it, and you can just here as you can see that you have restricted the account. And once you restrict it, here you will be able to see an option of unrestrict. You can just unrestrict the account as well, but you can just wait after a few hours and the account will be disappeared from there. So here for me it's showing up because I just restricted the account, but yeah, you could do that. The other way is just you could basically remove them or block them from your chat. So it's pretty simple, or you could just find many other people and just keep sending them your posts or anything, and they would automatically remove. So like there's no official way of removing someone from a share list, but you could do these methods. Or if you really want to get rid of them, just go ahead and block the account that you want to remove. So once you press on the block and you block it, and here as you can see is blocking. Once you block it, they won't show up. And here as you can see, I've completely get rid of them from my share list. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can delete someone from share list on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace.